To install Office on a Mac, go to office.com and sign in with your Microsoft account or your work or school account. Next, select Install Office Apps and then Office 2016. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see your download start. The download can take a few minutes. After it's downloaded, open the Office installer. Select Continue to get started and agree to the software license agreement. Next, select Install. Enter your Mac credentials to start the installation. This will take a few minutes. When the installation has finished, select Close. You'll be asked if you want to move the Office installer to the trash. Select Move to Trash, as you can always download it again if needed. Now you want to open one of your Office apps and sign in. Select Finder. Then in Applications, find the Office apps. You can even select the app icons you want and then drag them down to the dock for easy access. Select one of the apps to open it, and then select Get Started and sign in. Sign in with your Microsoft account or work or school account, and you're all set.